I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clone Hero online with friends. First, you'll need to download the most recent public test build of Clone Hero, as this version includes the necessary online features. It's crucial that everyone playing has the exact same song charts and custom content installed to avoid any synchronization issues. Also, take a moment to configure your network settings to ensure smooth communication. Once your setup is complete, open Clone Hero and head to the online menu. Here, you can choose to host a new game. You'll need to share your public IP address with your friends, or, alternatively, use a virtual LAN service like Hamachi for easier connection. Remember to set a strong password for your lobby to ensure only your invited friends can join your session. If you're joining a friend's game, the process is straightforward. From the Clone Hero online menu, simply select the Join Game option. You'll then be prompted to enter the host's IP address and the specific lobby password they've provided. After successfully connecting, you'll be able to see your friends in the lobby and start selecting your favorite songs to play together. Sometimes, you might encounter connection issues. First, double-check your firewall settings to make sure they aren't blocking Clone Hero's network access. It's also vital that every player is running the exact same version of the game to prevent any compatibility problems. Finally, a stable and fast internet connection is key for a smooth, lag-free multiplayer experience, ensuring everyone has fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.